Hello and welcome to DSS online classes. Today I am going to start your EVS new chapter, chapter 12, Work We Do. So, first of all, we have to read this chapter and learn all difficult words. So, let's read. Like other days, Balbir reached the tea stall after his breakfast. His brother Satvinder, who had come from the village, was also with him. The worker at the tea stall gave him a cup of tea and said, "Here is your today's newspaper. How do you spend your whole day sitting here? Don't you get bored?" asked Satvinder. Oh no, one does not realize how the time flies. So, what is the meaning of realize? Realize means consider, एहसास करना. Look at that group of children. As usual, they are late for school. As usual means हमेशा की तरह, often. Everyone is running. The teacher is also late today. Oh, it seems her sandal has broken. Broken means टूट गया. She is going to Jaggu Bhai to get it repaired. Repaired means मरम्मत कराना, mending. It's good for him. He will get some money early in the morning. Champa is sitting there with her basket full of flowers. The lady working in the post office buys flowers from her every day. The construction work has started again. So, meaning of construction means nirmaan karna, making. The lady working in the post office buys flowers from her every day. The construction work has started again. The truck is bringing materials. The workers will again be busy the whole day. Look there. The doctor and the nurse are entering the hospital together. See Ramulu with his fruit cart. These days, he also brings Cinema with him. Cinema runs around, delivers fruits and collects money. Nanu, the barber, has laid out his shop, but whom will he save? Right in the middle of the crossing stands Iqbal Singh. Right in the middle of crossing stands Iqbal Singh. Throughout the day, he blows his whistle and keeps shouting, "Move your vehicle from here to where? Hey, have you not heard me? Take the cart away." Saying, the Balbir put down his empty cup and walked to a nearby shop. Act out what people would do at a crossing or in a weekly bazaar. Look carefully at the picture and write what work is being done by different people. What kind of work do people in your neighborhood do? Name any 5. What are these works called? Work. Repair cars and scooters. What they are called? Mechanic. In the picture on the first page of this lesson, some buildings have been shown. In the list below, put a red circle on the names of these buildings. Also, put a green or yellow on the names of those buildings that are in your neighborhood. Post office, hospital, temple, telephone booth, school, college, government office, church, multi-store building, dharmsala, hotel, bus stand, cinema hall, police station, bank, petrol pump, shop, gurudwara, mosque, railway station and court. Write the names of any 5 buildings and the work done in them. Name of the building: hospital. Work done: treatment of patient. Treatment मतलब देखभाल करना. Vaccination of children. In the picture you saw many people work together to build a new building. School is also one such place where many people work. Write what work is done in the school. Are there any children in the picture who are not going to school? What are they doing? Household work. Dipali is also one such girl who does not go to school. Let us read about her. Dipali is the eldest child in her family. Her father sells vegetables. He leaves for the mandi every early in the morning. Her mother washes utensils in some houses. She also leaves for work early in the morning. Dipali cooks food for her brothers and sisters. She cleans the house and also washes the utensils. She is very fond of listening to the radio. She listens to songs while the works. After finishing the work at home, she goes to leave her brother with her father. She then takes her younger sisters, Suman and Saila, to school. After that, Dipali helps her mother in her work. In the afternoon, she brings her brother and sister back home. In the evening, she plays with other children in the neighborhood. Neighborhood means padoshi. Her mother comes back home late in the evening. Dipali helps her mother cook dinner for the family. Her father comes home very late at night. At night, Dipali loves to lie in the bed and read her sister's school books. She has studied up to class 3. 3 years back, when her little brother was born, she had to stay back home to take care of him. She could not study anymore. She feels that reading books help her to relax. Now she is back to school and goes regularly. What work does Dipali do in her own house? Do you also do household work? Household work means ghar ke kaam. If yes, what? Besides household work, do you do any other work at home? If yes, what? Beside means alawa. इसके अलावा. Given below are some daily activities. So on the face of the clocks at what time of the day you do them. Wake up in the morning, go to school, return from school, sit down to study at home, go to play, sleep at night. Which of your family members do household work? What work do they do? Family members, work they do. Which of your family members work to earn money? Earn money means kamana, paise kamana. Family members, work they do. Which of your family members do work but do not get money for it? Find out from your grandparents what work they did when they are children. Sarama asked her grandmother Nani the same question. Nani replied, when I was a child, I would help my elders to collect firewood. Firewood means jalane wali lakdi. Making cow dung cakes and plaster walls with cow dung. But now we have a stove that works on gobar gas. The floor and the walls of our house are cemented. There is no need for Sarama to do some of jobs that her grandmother did in her childhood. You have written about the work you do and work done by your elders in their childhood. Is there a change? Dipali had to leave school to household work. Find out if there are many children in your neighborhood who are over 5 years and do not go to school. Talk to any children and find out why they do not go to school. Name of the first child, reason for not going to school. Name of the second child, reason for not going to school. Okay, you have to read this chapter once again and underline and learn all the difficult words. Thank you.